much. And I figured that this would be a good day for me to get some content, even if it's just busy content with me moving around, which I am going to be moving around a lot in this vlog. There's so many things going on today that I would probably say me a couple of months ago would have tried to do every single thing that my name is on. There's a sorority meeting today. My husband has a food truck. He's going out today. He has help with that. But, you know, there's some things, hold on. There's some things that I help him with to get him going. So I'm getting ready to print off his menus for the food truck. I am setting up a cute and small birthday party for a 1-year-old today. And in addition to the party, which I did a lot of it yesterday, but I need to go and do the final touches before the party begins today. So that's one reason why I am not going to the chapter meeting this morning. I need to run to the store and get a few things. And I also go to work today. I do hospitality for some of our athletic events. And I'll be there. And I also have some other things that some computer work that needs to get done for personal reasons and homework. Not necessarily, well, it's homework. It's things that I should have just already had completed that I did not do. So I need to work on a presentation for next week when I go away to my graduate program, and also revise a paper to present next week. And this is all on Saturday. I've been doing a little bit of that here and there, but I need to buckle down and get it done, because leading up to the time that I go to school, it's going to be busy for me. So I figured, yeah, let me just bring you along, and hopefully, you know, if you find yourself in a similar position where your name is on so many things to do and a lot is expected out of you, you're able to prioritize what needs to absolutely get done right then, what can wait, or what doesn't even need your attention. That's the realization that I had, and I was comfortable. I said, I can't be everywhere. I can't be everything to everyone. Let me prioritize and see what needs my most immediate attention. Friend, so you're gonna hang out with me today, and I'm sorry that I'm not looking directly at you. I am trying to make sure that my husband's flash drive fits into my computer. So I'm going to print these menus, and then I need to get ready to blow up balloons to transport to the party space. All right, I hope that you're having a good day. And before, you know, I forget, hopefully I won't forget, I want you to go ahead and subscribe. Yep, I want you to subscribe. I also want you to like this video and say something real sweet in the comments. All right, come along with a busy Saturday.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
off at their dad's food truck for fish, fries, and baked beans. Is it good, Rania? Mm-hmm. She's enjoying hers. Feeding them before our next stop. My helpers for the day, they've been with me all day, setting up a party, going to work with me, and now breaking down a party. Now it's time to go home, eat something, and just relax. We made it back home. My husband picked up takeout for us. We ate that, and I think all of our feet are tired. We are tired. I am in my office. I'm watching 2020, the Murdaugh family murders, while I'm doing just a little bit of computer work. I'm gonna do this, and I think I'm done for the day. I am wiped out. There was at least one thing I wish I could have squeezed in today, and that is for schoolwork, but it didn't happen. There's always tomorrow. But I'm gonna get out these two things that I have guaranteed other people that I would get to them, and I'm gonna call it a night. All right, I will try to continue this vlog until tomorrow. If I don't, I'll go ahead and end it here, but I have nothing left. I want to go ahead and get these sent out so that won't be weighing in on me, and I'll talk to you later.